Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco X4 GT. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There you will find another yellow box. This one here, by the way, here has been the phone in, and if you open this yellow box here, we will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings like this, and you have it released. Okay. Otherwise, by the way, you can always use, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press it, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards, one at the top, and if you want, a second one below. By the way, what's SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with our first SIM card. So it's SIM 1. Press it well. Sometimes you will hear a click noise, that's good. So that's well inserted. So there's a missing corner here on the SIM tray, and the missing corner of the SIM card belongs there. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. Okay, and as I said, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card on the other side. Same thing, press it well, it's well inserted. And there's also a missing corner here on the missing corner. And the contacts, as you can see, are as well on the top. Okay, and then you can put your construction back into the phone. I've realized here at my SIM tray that the SIM 2 is not so well inserted, so take care if you turn it, because if you insert a SIM card, the SIM 1 is here on the top, so to the display side. Okay, so SIM 1 is to the display side now, just work like that, and close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.